Hello guys, welcome to Avery's birthday vlog. I'm Madison.
I'm Tess.
Guys,
That's
I'm Avery.
I'm Chili, so you can't see it.
I'm Chili.
That's Chili.
We can post this.
what's up, guys? What's the beat?
And
the beat.
That's not the intro.
Like and subscribe for
Do I need
a...
to teach all my intros?
No.
From Avery.
This is my intro.
If you guys want to enjoy this channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and smash that like button.
We'll update y'all in the car.
And if you got a dumpling.
Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna close my eyes. Oh, it's taped. God, it's just...
Twist it. Twist it. Oh my god.
Hi, we are on the bridge. We're almost here. Hey guys, how are we?
Hello.
Almost.
When I was in touch. Gas station. Look, there it is.
Almost here.
So excited. Oh.
The truck is in the way.
Please stop.
Oh guys, this is a beach trip we've been planning. The plans really made it out of the group chat.
Made it to the beach. Is it cold? Oh, that feels nice.
Everyone say hi. Yeah. Hello.
Absent. Where you
at?
at?
Hi, we're at the beach. Wait. Let me see. Wait, take one like facing the water. Oh, my mom.
Can I tip
Okay.
Okay.
Forgot there's also a video. We're just gonna go.
Touch my foot.
It's okay. And vlog and like, yeah. We should actually hear it.
We're in the water. Look at that water.
Hey, give me a music video.
He's out
Peace out. See y'all later.
to lunch.
Lunchtime.
Hello guys. We are eating lunch. Say hi to our vlog. Okay, we all had sandwiches. Tess is now eating Cheetos. We all got lemonades, I think, except for her.
Okay, update. Addison got stung by a jellyfish. We're thriving.
Back in the cold one. So I fell in a hole.
We made a hole and it's over there. And then we went into the sea.
So
Okay, we're gonna go put cheese for the little prairie dog. We looked it up. It's a prairie dog, not a meerkat. But it's so cute.
Oh my god, it's right. He's right there. He's right there. Do you see it?
No.
Look. Right here. Look, his little head.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, he just sits there. Look. Wait, you have to wait for me to stick your nose in. We were trying to feed a prairie dog because we thought it was a meerkat, and then we thought it was a, I don't know. We found out it's a prairie dog. And it's a little baby, and so we were trying to feed it, and then the seagulls came. So,
Yeah. What's the first one?
okay, we have our little hole, and we put water in it, and then Avery's mom brought back a shoe, and in the shoe there was 2 fish, and so we put the fish in our hole, but we feel bad because it's really shallow, so we're putting it back. Okay, this is our hole.
Wow. Also show them the shoe.
Yeah, this is the shoe. It has like hands all over it. Yay, release!
Release them.
We gotta go pee.
Yeah, we're going.
Okay.
Lily blue. Mike first. Hey.
It's seaweed. Oh my.
Release them.
Bye, babies. Oh, wait. Now. Bye, babies.
Bye, babies.
Bye, babies. Bye, babies. Bye, babies.
Oh, I feel so like accomplished of us.
I feel so maternal over them right now.
Yeah.
Look, there they go. I feel so maternal today. I've collected so many animals.
Oh, that.
Hermit crab didn't get it.
The hermit crab?
I don't know. You got it?
They were
Hold that phone higher.
little hermit crab.
We caught a hermit crab. Look, he's a part of the sand ball.
No, he's gonna sink into the sand, Chili. You gotta leave him in there. Back to school. Back to school.
Stop.
Can we go back in the water?
Yeah, I like the
Is
back.
he gonna stay here? Do I give him some more sand?
No,
it's
I-
okay.
just-
Oh yeah, give him some more. Yeah.
Here. No, not a wall.
Not that much.
Hey guys, we just went out into the sea.
I need to go to the sea. I need to touch the water.
We're just chilling.
Yeah,
We're like chilling with the waves.
yeah, we are becoming
Becoming one.
one.
Oh, we should check sugar.
We found. Oh yeah, we released the hermit
I got
crab.
stung.
Where I was. Oh yeah.
Okay, Habibi.
Yeah, Avery got stung too, so it's just me and Ileana left. I'm scared.
Y'all are next. Oh,
Yeah, we're next. Does anyone have anything to say to the vlog?
I miss my fishes. I need to do I miss my...
We named them Fit and Day, and then we named the prairie dog Sandy.
And the hermit crab.
We didn't name the hermit crab.
What should we name it? We should left up the watch.
Herm.
Guys, comment down
Hermit?
below.
Kermit the Hermit.
Kermit the Hermit is very, very sweet.
Thank you.
We're very excited for pizza.
Jess, are we
So, yeah.
just getting chocolate?
Not do that for dessert. I've eaten everything.
Look, it's going into my hand.
They have mac and cheese, I think, too.
Yeah. Okay, peace out.
Where's Sandy?
Oh my god. Short. We're like an hour to the car ride.
Lots of stuff that's
Honestly dead, so you can't vlog. But we're in the car now.
Scattered all around the floor.
Oh, she's cute.
Wait, I want to show them.
Pictures.
And I wonder if I ever crossed your mind. Thank you, Tess, for the cannons. It's all the time.
And we took pictures,
It's a
and
quarter
then we
after
cleaned up,
one.
and then we dipped, and we put it in the car. Oh wait, no. Oh, we didn't walk like any of the store or the pizza. We went to the...
Wait, we're all evenly spaced. I'm so happy.